In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all the students of class 8th. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today I am going to teach you a poem. The title of the poem is The Bangle Sellers, written by Sarojini Naidu. First of all, I will tell you a little bit information about Sarojini Naidu. My dearest, Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, lived between 1879 and 1949, was an Indian political activist and poet. She was the first female Indian governor of Uttar Pradesh in independent India. Now I will tell you the form and structure of the poem. The Bangle Sellers is a well-written lyric poem of 24 lines divided into 4 stanzas of 6 lines. Each stanza consists of 3 rhyming couplets following a simple rhyme scheme of AABBCC. Though the lines are mostly octasyllabic, it follows no particular metrical style. The poem follows a definite structure of the 4 stanzas. The first stanza serves as an introduction, while the 3 subsequent stanzas deals 3 important stages of a woman respectively. Now I will read the poem stanza wise and will tell you the summary stanza wise. The first stanza is: Bangle sellers are we who bear our shining loads to the temple fair. Who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow-tinted circles of light, lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives? My dearest, at the beginning of the poem, the bangle sellers are introduced and the poem describes their everyday life as well. The bangle sellers are present at the temple fair to make a trade for their bangles and are calling out to people to buy them. They are praising the qualities of bangles using the adjectives like bright, delicate and rainbow tinted, thereby intending the people to buy for their daughters and wives. My dearest, in this poem, the poet says bangles are bought on special occasions and are considered a symbol of happy lives of Indian womanhood. The bangle sellers say that these bangles promise happy lives to the wearer and are tokens of happy lives and happy marriage. The second stanza: some are meet for maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Some are flushed like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom that leaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. My dearest, in the second stanza, the bangle sellers are talking about different kinds of bangles that they have which cater to different types of women. Some of these bangles are suited for a maiden's wrist who is an unmarried girl or a young woman, and they are silver and blue in color. Here, the silver and blue colors are compared to the mountain mist and they represent the freshness and the beauty of young maidens. Some bangles are light red and pink in color, just like tender flower buds that are found blossoming along a woodland stream. In this stanza, buds that dreams presents an image of young girls who are dreaming of marriage. The bangle sellers also have some green colored bangles which are compared to the newborn leaves because such leaves are pure, fresh and yet to see the world just like the maiden. This stanza shows the youthful stage in a woman's life and represents the fact different colored bangles are worn by women in different phases of their life in Indian society. Now, the third stanza. Some are like fields of sunlit corn, meet for a bride on her bridal morn. Some, like the flame of her marriage fire, are rich with the hue of her heart's desire. Tinkling, luminous, tender and clear, like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. In this stanza, the poet says, the bangle seller says that they have some yellow colored bangles that look like fields of sunlit corn. Here, bangles are compared to fields of sunlit corn because those bangles are suitable for a bride on the day of her wedding, when she needs to look the prettiest and the brightest of all. The bangle sellers also have some flame colored bangles such as red and orange that represent the passion, desire and wishes of the bride. In the poem, bridal laughter means sorrow of separation from her parents. The poet has compared bridal laughter and bridal tear with the tinkling, luminous, tender and clear bangles which seem to express her joy and sorrow well. So this stanza depicts the transition of life from a maiden to a wife. The last stanza. Some are purple and gold flecked grey, for she who has journeyed through life midway, whose hands have cherished, whose love has blessed, and cradled fair sons on her faithful breast, and serves her household in fruitful pride, and worships the goddess at her husband's side. In this stanza, the bangle sellers continue to advertise their bangles and say that they have some purple and gold flecked grey bangles. These bangles are suitable for a woman who has journeyed through life and has reached the midpoint of her life. These are for a woman who remained faithful to her husband, supported him and has raised her children well. The purple color symbolizes pride, gold fleck represents honor and authority, whereas grey symbolizes wisdom and maturity. So, this was Bangle Seller's stanza by summary. This poem shows various stages of a woman's life and is a celebration of female life. It also attempts to show the Indian culture and the role of bangle sellers in the tradition setup. Now, the poetic devices used in the poem are imagery, simile, metaphor and anaphor. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.